Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I wire a wreath frame using pipe cleaners. Now this is a 14-inch wire wreath frame that I got from the Dollar Tree. And this product I'm just going to be showing you is an easy and less expensive alternative to the work wreath frame that is sold in stores. Now this frame is usually used to make most wreaths, such as the deco mesh wreath. And the material you'll need, a 14-inch wire wreath frame. I got that from Dollar Tree. Pipe cleaners from Dollar Tree. Scissors or either wire cutters. And a hot glue gun. Now, for my chenille stems, I cut mine in half. But you can leave them whole and tie them onto your wreath frame. It just depends on how much of material you're going to be adding to the frame. So you guys, I'm going to go ahead and speed up the video from here. I kind of explained everything. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this video. Talk to you later.